Today, we're going to be making a really delicious, simple chocolate that takes 3 ingredients but is oh so good. This cocoa butter has cooled a little more. It's still warm, but we want it to be warm because it needs to melt these two things as well. So we're going to pour this straight in. So we're just going to put in our carob, our toasted carob. This one's going to make a mess. Seems like a lot, but trust me, it's so good. And then our coconut sugar. Not much, just 2 tablespoons, okay? And we're gonna blend it up. Okay, so I've got a tray here, and I've just folded up the sides, and this way the chocolate won't run, because it will be a bit runny.